Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate that. Today I'm simply going to show you how I make this delicious and chilled strawberry milkshake. It's really simple. It's just a simple drink you can make after your sports activities or for breakfast or whatever. So here is it. I have this simple strawberry milkshake made with vanilla ice cream and other few uncommon ingredients. And I wouldn't mind testing this, by the way. The flavor is just really amazing. So let me quickly show you how I make this. Keep watching and also remember to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also comment on this video. Have a very beautiful Valentine ahead. Thank you. For this vanilla and strawberry milkshake, I'm using this ingredient. I have a very quality ice cream which I'll be using: mint leaf, 6 strawberries, a tablespoon of sugar, full cream milk, vanilla and strawberry ice cream. I'm using a very quality ice cream which is the Supreme ice cream. Is one of my favorites. So we are going to combine all the ingredients into the blender. First of all, I'm going to bring the 1 cup of milk into the blender. I'm using a full cream milk. And then I'm going to add 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. This is 1. This is 2. I like to add the pinkish part. And this is 3. You can add as much as you want just to make it creamy and lush. And then I'm adding in the 1 tablespoon of sugar and the 6 strawberry fruits. Finally, I'm adding about 5 mint leaves to it just to give it that minty flavor. But this is optional. You can choose not to add mint leaf to your milkshake. So right away, we're just going to blend this. Once you're done blending, just switch off the blender and you're done. Finally, we have this rich strawberry milkshake. I'm going to bring this into a serving glass. And then with my extra strawberries, I'm just going to slit one, then use it to serve this. Then with my straw, I am good to go. So here it is. This was how to make a chilled and delicious strawberry milkshake. I hope you loved this video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like my video, and what do you think about strawberry milkshake? Let me know in the comments box below. Until next time, bye.